Hello, everyone. Welcome to our virtual open house. This is Pre-ACE Chemistry, or PAC 2020-2021. Hopefully, we can get away from saying 2020 all over again, a few more months. But this is period 7 and 8 of Pre-ACE Chemistry. And basically, we're just talking about where the class goes and tips and information for you and your student. So first, my name is John Stevenson. This is my 17th year at teaching at Sarasota. I have wife Abby and two sons, Ben and Luke, and I coach cross country and track. So pretty busy afternoon for me. My degrees are in chemical engineering and gifted education, both at USF. All right, so PAC, Pre-ACE Chemistry, is a challenging course because chemistry is tough. You're dealing with two kind of subjects. You're dealing with math and science in the same in one. So there's going to be math-oriented problems with chemistry where also you're dealing with abstract stuff like atoms and electrons and molecules, which we can't see. So it's math and abstract at the same time. So it's pretty tough. The class itself is called a flipped classroom, so most of the lectures are viewed through video, where then in class we work on any questions that arise, any short problems that we'll review from the lecture, and then questions that students come up with during the classwork is how the class is ran. Right now we're still tinkering with labs and whatnot, and that's not really sure how it's going to work per se, but there are going to be some labs. Right now we might just split up into two periods or 2 days, separate days. So half the class does one, half does the other. So there's some more responsibility for students to ask questions from the lecture. So instead of spending 20-25 minutes in class doing a lecture with very little practice, I'd rather do more practice in class where questions can be answered right away instead of a question might arise on a problem at home. It provides more one-on-one questioning, so students can, who are maybe shy or don't want to ask questions in front of people, they can ask a question one-on-one with me instead of all in the same class or everyone in the class. So I also approach is student-centered, so that's also why I like the flipped classroom, and it's more focused on the student instead of me. Allows the student to ask more specific questions, and then they also can get more guidance from myself instead of an overall group. So the focus is obviously a student needs to grow, not just in chemistry, but grow as they're a learner. So hopefully they can take some things from this approach and apply it to other classes or maybe into college. So outcome is hopefully they can explain simple topics in organic and chemistry and inorganic chemistry to their friends or your parents or to another teacher. So if they can explain it, that's good because that means they have an understanding of it. They become an expert in deduction from results, so they'll see results of a lab. Hopefully they can deduce an answer from that, so apply their knowledge to an actual experiment. And then hopefully they can take a college level course and be successful, whether it's ACE chemistry or in a college chemistry class at the university level. Either one can, hopefully that's their goal. So they're going to have to take some science, high level science, so hopefully they'll like chemistry and take that higher level course. So some tips, very important, is to stay on top of your reading and stay on top of the lectures. Be prepared for experiments. So when we do have an experiment, we split up half the class, so you guys are hopefully that class that's doing the experiment is prepared so they can get through the experiment in a class period. question everything. So if something doesn't add up in the mind or something doesn't quite understanding, ask questions. That's how basically learning has achieved throughout the years of humans, to question everything. Challenge yourself. Make sure you, if you do have it, and learn from your mistakes. And if you do make a mistake, is to challenge yourself to make a better result. Um, don't be satisfied where you are as a learner. Be satisfied giving your best. There's my information. If you ever need to contact me, we have Remind, phone, email. You can always go through the gradebook or anything like that. It's pretty easy to contact us. But if any questions arise or anything issue, please don't hesitate to ask, and hopefully things will keep moving in maybe a normal way. But if not, we're always going to adjust and do our best to help every student out. Okay, so you guys have a good evening if you're watching this, or morning or afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. Have a good day, and talk to you soon.